like Popeye. Money changing colors like tie-dye. I'm just trying to get it.
Hey guys, Queen of Hearts here and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hair review. This time this hair is from a company called The Official Pink Cartel. Make sure you go and check them out. I will list all of the information down in the description box below. So if you want to know about this hair that I'm wearing, let's get into these specs. Alright, so I have in 3 bundles, a 20, 22, and 24. I have on a closure as well, but I'm not too sure what inch this is. I told her I would purchase one from her, but she just said that she would send it, so thank you for that. I didn't even ask about the specs of the closure. Let me just start by saying that this hair is bomb. Like, I've tried maybe 2 to 3 body wave textures, and this has got to be the best by far. Like, this hair is so like thick, and my favorite part, it holds a curl, so your girl ain't gotta flexi ride it really every day. So I do have to let y'all know that this is a wig. I am so happy I have made my first wig, and I feel like I can do anything really. But anyways, this is a wig closure. I did bleach the knots. I didn't pluck. I probably could go in and pluck, but for now it's good. It looks good. Hey, I don't care. It's on my head. Now let's talk about what I have done to this hair. When I first received the hair, I did go ahead and bleach the knots, like I said. I also colored this hair. It was like a brownish, maybe a, I don't know, maybe a little darker than a 2, but I went to the hair store and picked up a 1B, and I believe I used, my nose is itching, sorry. I believe I used Clairol 1B. I think that's what it was. But yeah, I dyed the hair. It took the color very well. I didn't have to leave it on for a long time. This is just bomb, y'all. So I haven't really done much to this hair as far as styling, because it really doesn't need that much. It is a body wave texture. Only thing I really do is use these purple flexi rods when I go to sleep. Sometimes I take the wig off, sometimes I don't. Either way, it's getting flexi rodded. And I don't even, you know, have to put in the flexi rods every night. This hair does hold a curl, so I could go a couple days without really having a flexi rod this hair. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks up close. Keep in mind this is my first wig, so don't go too hard on me. All right, I'm gonna step back so you guys can see the length. So like I said, I do have in the inches 20, 22, and 24, and I am 5'3", 5'4", something like that. So this is about, and keep in mind that this hair is curled, so it's pretty long. It's really long actually, and I can't wait to straighten this hair. I will be coming back with another review when I do decide to straighten it, but this is how long it is curly. Pretty long in the back. Cute, right? Alright, so about shedding, really all hair sheds. This hair has very minimal shedding. When I washed it, if it ain't nothing I can remember, it really wasn't important. So very minimal shedding. It did really good washing, and I just used the shampoo that I use on my natural hair, which is whatever I find under my cabinet. So no special product, I don't think. You might want to consult with the hair owner about if, you know, there are any special shampoos or conditions that they may recommend. But yeah, all in all, I love this hair. Congratulations, Dana, for opening up and starting your hair business. I am a big fan, and thank you. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Honorable C notes.
Yeah.
Buddha blessings.